Welcome to episode 3 of Finance Books That Build Wealth, Not Just Knowledge. This is for your personal finance. We have the book I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. So, this book tells how to automate savings, bills, and investing. So, it comes with clear scripts and exact actions. The next is it tells you don't have to be frugal to be rich. You can spend extravagantly on what you love, cut mercilessly on what you don't. So this removes guilt around money. And if you're bad with money or works very busy, you can use this because it's designed for normal people. So the book has a low effort but high impact. If you're a starter in investing, so this one is good for you because the index funds are clearly explained and it explains the long-term, boring, effective investing. So it reduces fear of investing. The next, it teaches how to beat banks and fees by using credit cards, the saving accounts, the hidden charges. And this book, um, it tells not to focus on earning more, not just saving, but how to negotiate salary, how ways to increase income and career leverage. So it focuses on earning more actually. So it gives empowering um, statements compared to just save more. And it defines rich means to you. So this is a personalized wealth, feels attainable. So not luxury for everyone. The freedom, comfort, and control being explained. And this one is perfect for beginners and young adults. If you're a parent also, um, young professional, or self-employed, this one is good because it has an easy language, an attainable checklist. You can read this and you can start even though you don't have finance background. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.